Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look at what is the latest version of the Firefox web browser. Yep, Firefox is now at version 66, released today, March 19th, 2019, with some new features and improvements. So to know if you have the latest version, simply go on the upper right corner and open the menu. Go to Help and simply go to About Firefox. It should actually say you're at version 66.0, and if it doesn't, you will actually have a update that will be done automatically. So Firefox Quantum 66 has a couple of new things. First of all, autoplay on websites is blocked, both of videos and audio. So basically you've got these new options that block websites from automatically playing sounds and videos. You can add exceptions to the rule if you wish. So this is of course a good idea for content. You have now an option called scroll anchoring. What's scroll anchoring? If you've been to websites where it takes a lot of time for all of the web to appear, what you have noticed is that you might actually be reading something already, but because of a ad or because of some content that appears, it pushes everything out and you have to scroll back to wherever you were. This happens a lot and it's very annoying actually. Well, this new feature of scroll anchoring will actually leave you on that content where you are, even though around it other content are still loading. So this will mean it won't actually take the content away just because some ad or something wants to show up, which is a good idea, I can tell you that. You're on a Mac computer. The touch bar on Mac OS is now actually enabled here. You can have quick access to common features in your browser using that option. So this is nice. Also on Linux, you might actually find that the Firefox 66 browser has a better or cleaner interface because it's using some of the native graphical interface options from the Linux operating system. So on Linux, that will also be a nice add-on. You can search tabs now, basically even if you're not on that computer at all. And this is cool because by searching a tab, what is happening is if you've synced and if you have an account to sync your web browser across devices, what is cool is that you can now actually just search a tab, and by searching a tab, it will actually even search tabs that are on other devices. So you can actually go and search tabs that are open even on another computer, which is kind of cool, meaning that you can actually have the content from, say, another PC or another machine, basically finding stuff in that tab if you wish, which is very, very nice. So this is of course pretty cool. Extensions shortcut, now you can actually simply go to add about add-ons. You can have now manage extensions shortcuts easily. Everything that is extensions within Firefox will appear. There are redesigned security warnings to have safe browsing practices. So if you do something wrong, it's actually going to tell you in a series of little pop-ups that's going to say, hey, you know, when you do this or when you're on that site, it's not secure, maybe it's not a good idea. And of course new internals of the browser itself that will have all sorts of improvements to the Firefox web browser. And of course security updates. As usual, every browser has security updates when they change versions, so it's a good idea to of course update to the latest version of your favorite browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.